How's it going? Here's vehicle number, I think this is 98. I'd have to double check, but I think this is the 98th vehicle I've bought. I'm 37. Been buying shit pretty much since I was 15, 16. Why did I buy this? Why did I buy this? You ask. It's just your average run-of-the-mill 2000 Chevy 4x4, 4.8. Nothing special inside at all. Roll up windows, cruise control, aftermarket deck. Why did I buy this? This thing's rusted out, no safety inspection. It's got 200,000 kilometers on it. Why did I buy this? Why did I buy this truck? You ask. Well, it's my father's old truck. He was going to take it to the junkyard. They were going to give him a few $100 to scrap it. Still runs, and there's a reason I bought this truck. This is a 2000 4.8 first gen, and I worked on this truck a few years ago at a local garage when I worked there, and I noticed there was just something different about this truck. It had a weird sound to it. It sounded really good. Then I saw this little Gibson sticker, and then I popped the hood. Nice stick-on vents. Sweet. There's 10 horsepower right there. Come on. I had to buy this truck. Anyway. Down in there, they're a little dirty, but we have a set of stainless shorty headers on a first gen 4.8 with cable throttle. Not bad for an LS swap. So that's basically why I bought this truck. Doesn't have a lot of kilometers on it. Wasn't abused. It's, like I said, once again, it's a first gen 4.8. All stock. I'm thinking maybe a few years down the road, this is going to go in something a lot lighter and a lot smaller. Either with a little bit of NOS or maybe, I don't know, one or two cheapy turbos. Who knows? We'll think about that later on, but for the time being, let's fire it up. That is actually, I don't know, I think that was a 1998 Cavalier my father had. It's the one that replaced it. That's a 96. The key doesn't fit that car, but I'm pretty sure this was his spare key to a 98 Cavalier. It's healthy. So no time soon, but one day, that little thing is going to go in something a lot smaller and a lot lighter than this. And we're going to throw, I think I'm going to go NOS. I'd really like to try NOS. I've never had NOS. I'd like to blow the guts out of something I can easily replace. I think this is the victim. And I love the fact that it's already got headers, and it's Gen 1. It doesn't have security at all. There's no power locks. Once again, a 97, 98 Cavalier key started it. So I think it's a really good start. I'm going to start parking it out. Leave it drivable, just for going around the yard. But yeah, I think that's, I'm going to have to check. I think that's number 98. And she's got some goodies I'm going to sell off it right quick. Not a lot of goodies. I hit a deer. I hit a really big fucking deer one night in this thing. And I hit it really hard. I broke out the front bumper. That grill actually popped back in place. The same as that marker light. I don't know how I didn't break those. I didn't dent the hood. But it happened so quick. I just smashed the brakes and turned the wheel. And when I did, I blew 2 brake lines. And I blew the power steering lines on it. So not only did I use my father's truck, I hit a deer with my father's truck, and then had to fix my father's truck. I never got around to the bumper, but you know what? At this point, I don't really give a shit. This is going to be a donor. Sweet.